Is trading gambling? A Bhagavad Gita perspective. Welcome to Rise and Prosper with Jay Lakhani, where we explore the mindset, wisdom, and disciplines that help us create abundant wealth, radiant health, and lasting inner peace. One question I receive regularly is this: is trading the financial markets simply another form of gambling? Doesn't the Bhagavad Gita teach against it? Having traded the financial markets for over 40 years, studied the Bhagavad Gita for many years, and taught traders across the world, I'd like to offer a respectful perspective. First, we must distinguish between gambling and professional trading. They are not the same. Gambling is driven by chance, excitement, emotion, and the hope of getting something for nothing. It is often fueled by greed, desperation, and impulse. There is little preparation, little discipline, and little control. Professional trading is completely different. It demands years of study, emotional mastery, patience, discipline, continuous learning, and rigorous risk management. Most successful traders spend far more time protecting their capital than chasing profits. The Bhagavad Gita never condemns honest work. Rather, it teaches how we should perform our work. In Bhagavad Gita 2.4.7, Krishna teaches us to focus on our duty, not on the fruits of our actions. In 2.4.8, he tells Arjuna, "Established in yoga, perform your duty with equanimity. Success and failure should be accepted with the same mind." Is that not exactly what a disciplined trader strives to do? Every professional trader knows that no one controls the market. We only control our preparation, our analysis, our discipline, and our risk. Once a trade is placed, we accept the outcome with calmness. A loss does not define us, nor does a winning trade make us arrogant. To me, this is nishkama karma in action, performing one's duty without attachment to the result. The market itself is one of life's greatest teachers. It exposes fear, greed, ego, impatience, anger, and attachment within minutes. It forces you to confront your own mind every single day. In many ways, the market is like a mirror. It never lies. If your mind is restless, the market will reveal it. If your ego is inflated, the market will humble you. If your discipline weakens, the market quickly reminds you of the consequences. Professional trading therefore becomes more than a financial activity. It becomes a journey of self-mastery. Of course, trading can become gambling if someone ignores risk management, chases losses, trades emotionally, or seeks quick riches. The same activity can be either uplifting or destructive, depending on the consciousness behind it. The Bhagavad Gita repeatedly reminds us that it is our inner qualities, not merely the external action, that determine whether our actions are sattvic, rajasic, or tamasic. Consider another perspective. Every day, global financial markets facilitate trillions of dollars of transactions. Businesses hedge currency risk, farmers lock in crop prices, pension funds invest for retirees, companies raise capital, and governments finance infrastructure. Financial markets provide liquidity and price discovery that allow modern economies to function efficiently. Without disciplined participants in these markets, commerce would become far more uncertain, investment would slow, businesses would struggle to manage risk, and economic growth would suffer. Trading, when practiced ethically, professionally, and with discipline, is not separate from society. It is one of the mechanisms that supports it. So, rather than asking whether trading is gambling, perhaps the better question is this: are you trading with wisdom or with emotion, with discipline or with impulse, with detachment or with greed? The Bhagavad Gita teaches that spirituality is not about escaping the world. It is about bringing higher consciousness into whatever work we do. If we trade honestly, manage risk wisely, remain detached from outcomes, and use our success to serve others, then our profession itself can become a path of inner growth. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us discuss respectfully in the comments. And remember, the mind that masters itself can master any profession. Best wishes from Jay Lakhani. May you continue to rise and prosper in wealth, good health, and spirituality.